Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. YouTube is a great platform for discovering and watching videos. One of its handy features is the ability to create a personalized library which acts as a digital bookmark, allowing you to save videos that you find interesting but don't have time to watch immediately. In this video, I will guide you through the steps of finding and accessing the videos you've saved on YouTube. Let's go! Once you save a video on YouTube, whether it's through the mobile app or the web browser, it's automatically added to a playlist of your choice. To access your saved videos on your mobile device, open the YouTube app and make sure you're signed in to your account. Then, navigate to your Profile tab and find your playlists, including the one where your saved videos are stored. If you haven't created any custom playlists, all your saved videos should be in the Watch Later album. If you're using YouTube on a web browser, access your saved videos by clicking the three-line menu in the upper left corner. From there, navigate to the U section and select Playlists. Open each folder to view the specific playlists you've created, including the one containing your saved videos.
That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or other problems with your Apple device, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.